Hello children, I hope you are all happy and safe. Welcome to this special English hour. Do you know what is so special about today? Today is the first day of your third standard and I am very happy to welcome you all. My name is Janessa and I will be your teacher. Do you like to sing, dance and listen to stories? If yes, hop into this magical world of English. So let's begin the day with a fun action song. Would you like to dance with me? Then please stand up and join me. अब हम एक गाने के साथ शुरुआत करेंगे. अपने टीवी के नजदीक आइए, खड़े हो जाइए और साथ में एक डांस करेंगे. Scooby-Dooby, Scooby-Dooby, jump, jump. Scooby-Dooby, Scooby-Dooby, walk, walk, walk. Scooby-Dooby, Scooby-Dooby, dance, dance, dance. Scooby-Dooby, Scooby-Dooby, roll, roll, roll. Scooby-Dooby, Scooby-Dooby, jump, jump, jump. Scooby-Dooby, Scooby-Dooby, walk, walk, walk. Scooby-Dooby, Scooby-Dooby, dance, dance, dance. Scooby-Dooby, Scooby-Dooby, roll, roll, roll. Scooby-Dooby, Scooby-Dooby, jump, jump, jump. Scooby-Dooby, Scooby-Dooby, walk, walk, walk. Scooby-Dooby, Scooby-Dooby, dance, dance, dance. Scooby-Dooby, Scooby-Dooby, everybody roll. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the song we just did. I would now like to ask you a few questions. मैं अब आपसे कुछ सवाल पूछना चाहूंगी. Which weather do you like? आपको कौन सा मौसम पसंद है? I like the rainy weather. मुझे बारिश का मौसम बहुत पसंद है. What do you like to do on a rainy day? आपको जब बारिश हो रही हो उस दिन क्या करना अच्छा लगता है? I like to sleep in bed with my blanket. मुझे रजाई में सोना अच्छा लगता है. What do you like to do on a sunny day? जिस दिन अच्छी धूप होती है उस दिन आपको क्या करना अच्छा लगता है? I like to take a walk in the park. What do you like to do on a cold day? जिस दिन थोड़ी ठंड हो उस दिन आपको क्या करना अच्छा लगता है? I like to have hot chai. मुझे गरम चाय पीना अच्छा लगता है जिस दिन ठंड ज्यादा हो. तो ये अलग अलग मौसम हैं. These are all different weathers and every weather has something special to it. Okay, now would you like to talk a little about the weather outside? अब मौसम के बारे में कुछ बात करें? Okay, then please take your English Bal Bharati textbook and open page number 1. How does the sun look? सूरज कैसा दिख रहा है? The sun is smiling. The sun is happy. When do you feel happy? I feel happy when I win a game. मैं खुश हो जाती हूँ जब मैं कोई गेम जीतती हूँ. Okay, let's see the other pictures. What is this? ये क्या है? It's a cloud and it is raining. बारिश हो रही है. Okay, what is this? This colorful band here? This is a rainbow. आसमान में इन रंग बिरंगे रंगों को रेनबो कहते हैं. Now, let's read this wonderful poem. As I read, point your finger to the words. The sun and the rain, in fickle weather, were playing hide and seek together. And each in turn would try to chase the other from his hiding place. At last, they met to say goodbye, and lo, a rainbow spanned the sky. Did you like the poem? What was the poem about? Poem किस बारे में थी? The sun is shining brightly and the rain is also showering. आसमान में धूप भी निकली है और साथ में बारिश भी हो रही है. It looks like the sun and the rain are playing hide and seek. The sun is chasing the rain and the rain is chasing the sun. ऐसा लगता है जैसे सूरज और बादल लुका छुपी का खेल खेल रहे हों. The sun and the clouds bid goodbye to each other and a rainbow spanned the sky. सूरज और बादल ने एक दूसरे को अलविदा किया और आसमान में रेनबो निकल आया. Let's have a look at the new words we learned today. Sun. The sun shines brightly. The sun is out early in the morning. Second word, chase. The cat chased the mouse and the dog chased the cat. Spanned. The sky spans across the sea. The bridge spans across the river. Fickle. The weather looks fickle today. It's very unsure whether it's going to rain or it's going to be a sunny day. Okay children, now it's time for an activity. I will ask you a question and you have to think of the answer and write it down in your notebook. Later, I will reveal the answer to you. My first question is, what are the colors of the rainbow? Let me tell you. For an example, the colors of the rainbow are violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. Together, it is called Vibgyor. All the colors of the rainbow together are called Vibgyor. Okay, I gave you the answer for this question. Now let me give you another question and you have to think of the answer. Okay, let us try to make a mind map. A mind map is where in the center we have one word. Around that word, whichever are the related words, we will write those words in the circles around the circle in the center. You will see the mind map to my left. You have to write words related to the sky. Okay, so for example, the first word related to sky is blue. Blue is the color of the sky. So I will write blue as a word related to sky. Try to think of other words related to sky. Did you try to get the answer? Okay, let me share with you. Words related to the sky can be birds, sun, moon, aeroplane, stars. Do you see all these things in the sky? Yes, so they are all words related to the sky. Okay, here is an activity. You will be shown one image on your screen. You have to try and guess as many objects are there in that image. For example, in this image, you can see the rainbow. There are many other objects in the image. Try to make a note of it in your notebook. Okay? I'll share the answers with you later, but please try. Did you like the activity? I hope you did. There are such wonderful things in the image we just saw. There is a rainbow, there are clouds, there are raindrops, there are frogs, there are flowers, there's the whole sky. Children, let's do an activity now. We have spoken a lot about the weather today. Now, I would like to share with you all a few more words related to the weather. We will do an activity where you see a set of words and images related to the words. You have to match the image with the appropriate, with the correct word. Okay? बच्चों, आज हमने मौसम के बारे में खूब सारी बात करी, इसीलिए आज हम एक एक्टिविटी करेंगे जिसमें आपको जो चित्र इमेज दिया है और मौसम से संबंधित कुछ शब्द दिए हैं उन्हें आपको जोड़ना है। एक एग्जाम्पल मैं आपको देती हूं। You can see one image on your screen. What can you think of looking at the image? Yes, the word cloudy comes to our mind as we see many clouds in the picture. This way you will see more images and words on your screen. You have to match the image with the word. Okay? Let's start. Children, I hope you were able to match the words with the images. Come, let me tell you the answer. The first image is foggy. There is fog everywhere. The second image is of a sunny day. The word is sunny. The next image is of a windy day. The word is windy. The next image is of freezing. The next image is that it's very hot. This image shows that it's a rainy day. Children, let's do an activity now. We have talked a lot about the weather. Based on this, we will fill in the blanks of a few sentences. You will see on your screen a set of sentences with blanks. They are all related to the weather. You are also given a bank of words. You have to decide the appropriate, the correct word to fit into the blank. बच्चों, हमने मौसम के बारे में आज बहुत सारी बात करी. अब स्क्रीन पर आप कुछ सेंटेंसेस देखेंगे जिनमें ब्लैंक्स हैं. ये ब्लैंक्स आप सही से भर पाएंगे जब आपको मौसम के बारे में जानकारी हो. सेंटेंसेस के साथ हम कुछ शब्द भी देंगे जो उन ब्लैंक्स में जाएंगे. तो प्लीज इन शब्दों को पढ़िए और सही से ब्लैंक्स भरिएगा. Shall we start? Let's begin. There are many black clouds. It's going to rain. You should take a raincoat. It's sunny. What a lovely weather. Let's go to the beach. Oh no, I can't see very far ahead. It's very foggy. Look, it's very cloudy. We must reach home before the rain comes down. It's very hot. Why don't we go swimming? It's very sunny. It might not rain today. Okay children, I hope you enjoyed today's session. Now it's time to sit back and enjoy while I tell you a wonderful story. Which is your favorite fruit? My favorite fruit is mango. Every year, there are many mangoes that come on our tree and we distribute it to all our friends and relatives. I have many sweet memories of mangoes. So let's read a story today. Too Many Bananas by Rohini Nilekani. Sringeri Srinivas had a big banana farm. He had many sweet and ripe bananas all ready to eat. But no one was buying his bananas. Not his friends, not his neighbors, not the traders who could take all the bananas to markets far away. Sringeri Srinivas was having a very bad day. He was very troubled. What will happen with all my bananas? कहानी है श्रृंगेरी श्रीनिवास की. उनका बहुत बड़ा खेत था केलों का और केले बेचने के लिए जब वो निकलते तब कोई उनसे खरीद नहीं रहा था. तो वो चिंता में पड़ गए. उन्होंने सोचा कि नजदीक में ही एक फार्मर्स सेंटर है, वहां जाके पूछता हूँ क्या हो सकता है इतने सारे केलों का? Whenever Sringeri Srinivas went to people with his bananas, they said, "Oh, no, we have had too many bananas. No more now." Sringeri Srinivas thought, "What will I do with such a rich harvest of bananas? Where do I take all my bananas and go?" So he thought, "Let me go to the big town close by, Donduru, and let me go to the farmer's center and ask, what can I do with so many bananas?" Sringeri Srinivas took all his bananas in a cart and left for the farmer's center, which was in another big town. He thought, someone will have a good idea for me. When he returned, he kept growing lots of bananas. But he didn't give them to anyone. He didn't offer them to his relatives or his friends or his neighbors. Everyone kept wondering, why would Sringeri Srinivas not offer his bananas anymore? Sringeri Srinivas ने सोचा कि ये सारे केले लेकर फार्मर्स सेंटर जाता हूँ। उन्हीं के पास कुछ तरकीब होगी कि इतने सारे बनानास, इतने सारे केलों का क्या कर सकते हैं। वापस आने के बाद श्रृंगेरी श्रीनिवास ने खूब खेती करी बनानास की, लेकिन उन्होंने न अपने रिश्तेदार न अपने दोस्तों को अब केले ऑफर किए। सब सोच में पड़ गए कि अरे अब तो ये केले बेच ही नहीं रहा है। One day, Sringeri Srinivas's neighbor arranged for a puja at his house. Sringeri Srinivas के पड़ोसी के घर में पूजा थी। He called a priest for the puja. The priest asked for 108 bananas. पूजा में आए महाराज ने कहा 108 केलों की जरूरत रहेगी। The neighbor immediately went to Sringeri Srinivas and asked him, "Please, can you give me 108 ripe bananas? I have a puja at home. I immediately need it." श्रृंगेरी श्रीनिवास के पड़ोसी तुरंत श्रृंगेरी श्रीनिवास के पास आए और कहा, हमें 108 केलों की जरूरत है, आप देंगे प्लीज? Sringeri Srinivas replied saying, "My harvest has just been cut, but let me see what I can do for you. You go home and start the puja." Sringeri Srinivas ने अपने पड़ोसी को कहा कि फिलहाल मेरे पास केले नहीं हैं, लेकिन मैं कुछ इंतजाम कर दूंगा, आप पूजा घर पर चालू करवाइए। The puja started at the neighbor's house. The whole village had gathered. पूजा शुरू हो गई। Soon time came to offer the bananas and the neighbors started wondering, where will I bring the bananas from? जल्द ही समय आ गया कि केलों का चढ़ावा करना था। सब लोग सोचने लगे, अब ये कहां से आएंगे? At that time, Sringeri Srinivas entered with a bag. In his bag, he had nicely wrapped in banana leaf 27 packets. He laid them out in front of the Maharaj. तब श्रृंगेरी श्रीनिवास की एंट्री हुई और वो अपने साथ 27 पैकेट लेके आए। This was high quality banana halwa from SS Farms. ये थे बनाना हलवा के पैकेट्स SS Farm से। Sringeri Srinivas told everyone, these are 27 packets of banana halwa of high quality from SS Farms. Each packet has halwa worth of 4 bananas. So 4 bananas into 27 packets is 108 bananas. श्रृंगेरी श्रीनिवास ने सभी को बताया कि ये 27 पैकेट बनाना हलवा के हैं जो SS फार्म से खास लाए गए हैं। हर एक बनाना के पैकेट में 4 किलो का हलवा बना हुआ है। 4 किलो का हलवा 27 पैकेट में, मतलब 108 किलो का चढ़ावा। Everyone in the village started laughing at this. They all had a big laugh. They all knew now where Sringeri Srinivas was taking all the bananas. गांव में सभी लोग खुश हो गए और अब उन्हें पता था कि श्रृंगेरी श्रीनिवास अपने सारे केले लेकर कहां जाते थे। I hope you all liked the story. I hope you liked Sringeri Srinivas. Now, as we come to the end of our session, think of which are the 5 games you like and please share about them with your family members. आप कोई भी 5 खेल जो आपको पसंद है उनके बारे में अपने परिवार को बताइए। Okay children, this is the end of the session. Bye bye, take care, stay safe till we meet again.